Dale?
Hey, how are you?
I have zero reason to complain. Life is good right now, and the Federal Reserve cut rates. How are you?
Yes, the Federal Reserve cut rates and rates went up. It's
Wait,
amazing.
okay. Now we need to complain. What the heck is all that about? It doesn't make quite much sense, Dale. The Federal Reserve cuts rates again for the 5th time in a row. We are seeing mortgage-backed securities rise, or, well, actually not rise. Mortgage-backed securities fall, which is not good. It makes interest rates for mortgages rise. What the heck is going on?
Well, it's the same old story. Lenders price in what they think's going to happen. They do cut rates, but not as much as they had presumed they would. Therefore, rates have gone back up. And of course, we know everything is everybody else's fault. That's just how it works.
Absolutely. That's what the best part about America is. So let's actually take a look at mortgage-backed securities. And you'll notice today we dropped 33 basis points. Again, inverse to mortgage rates. So even though it looks like it's going down, red and down is bad, green and up is good. We did have a little bit of a rise for a few weeks leading up to this. But as you mentioned very astutely, Dale, every time lenders, they get competitive, they start pricing ahead of the actual Federal Reserve rate cut. And then when it happens, everyone shrinks back. And then we see a bump in interest rates. Again, this happened 5 times in a row. So Dale, we're right now sitting at 6.19. Is that actually true? Where can we expect it to sit?
I would go with about 6.25 next week. That would be my guess. Remember, this is purchase money loans, all credit scores, points, no points, everything thrown into the mix. This is an average, so.
Right. So yes, the really nice part about what we're looking at here is this is the lowest interest rate average that we have seen for an entire year. This is the newest low. However, the unfortunate part is that this data only gets updated every Thursday, and we are going to see this small bump probably for the next 2 weeks. So as you're talking with clients and they all of a sudden get excited and they're thinking, I'm going to wait for December because there's an 80% chance that the Federal Reserve is going to cut interest rates again, you and all your infinite wisdom now know, yes, when the Federal Reserve actually cuts their rates, mortgages will go up. So always do it a couple of weeks ahead of time so that you can take advantage of actual lower interest rates. Right. That about wraps it up, Dale. I really appreciate your time, as always.
You betcha. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye now.